It's a verb. No. Shoes. What's that?
Anthill. 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 Pant.
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 Pant. Pant.
Pant.
Pant.
I think panda is a running, panting. You run quickly. I think that's what it means.
Pant. Pant. Pant.
Okay. Panting. Okay. No with. I think that.
Pant.
Okay. I see, like that. Like dog. Okay. Sue the ant. Sue the ant. Actually, the ant's name is Sue.
Sue. The ant will open plant. Pant.
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 Pant. Pant.
Pant.
Yeah, gasp.
Gasp.
Gasp. Okay, I think that. Yeah. Okay, Sue the ant. So the ant, the name is Sue. Okay, Sue the ant.
Well, open plant with lifting the
Greens.
grass.
Okay, you see the ants leave the grain. Okay, ants leave grain. You see? Do you see it? They leave to the grain. The big ant. Yeah. Like a rice. Yeah, this. Yeah, leave this thing, right? What's
Pant.
Pant.
Pant. Pant.
Pant.
Pant.
Pant.
Pant.
Grain.
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 Grain. A seed of fruit.
of cereal grass. Okay, great.
Grain. 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 Grain.
Green, okay.
The seed of a plant such as
Wheat.
corn and rice.
Okay.
Grain.
Bread made from whole wheat. Grain.
Okay.
Grain.
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 Okay. So the ants lifting the
Grains across the plants.
plains. Plains is a grassland, usually flat grassland. Okay. Plain. You see, grassland. Plain. What's that?
Grain.
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 Okay.
Grain. The seeds of plants such as wheat, corn, and rice.
Ah.
Plain.
Play.
Plain.
Play.
Plain. Plain.
Okay.
A large area of flat without trees.
Okay, that's plain.
Plain.
Play.
Okay, large area. Okay, flat area without a tree, plain. So lifting the grains across the
plains to build a home. She has to
comb. Comb, like you brush your hair. Comb, you see? Comb. Okay. I do one like this one. Comb. What's that?
plain.
Good.
Plain. Plain. Plain.
Which means a large area of flat land without trees.
Okay, that's plain.
Without trees.
Comb your hair.
Comb.
Comb.
Comb. Comb. Comb.
Okay. Here's a verb.
Is a verb.
Okay. To basically comb the hair.
Go comb your hair.
Okay.
Comb.
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 Okay, can spell.
See how happy comb.
Comb. Okay. Okay. To build a home, she has to comb.
Every inches of all the lands.
Okay, he have to go through every inch of land.
But
Okay.
the bolded text shows hyperbole, which uses example extremely,
Extreme.
extreme, or
Realistic.
unrealistic,
To unreal. Okay, not real.
languages to describe something. What is the purpose of this text?
Okay.
It brings attention
Good.
to the area where
Zoo.
is building.
Yeah.
It helps the reader imagine Sue's small size.
Okay.
It highlights how much ground Sue has to cover. It shows Sue is carrying bits of dirt
Okay, let's read it.
to build a home. She has to
Comb. Comb. Comb.
That's to comb.
every inch of all the land.
Okay. Okay.
It highlights how much ground Sue has to
Carry. Let me read it. To build a home, he has to comb every inch of all the land.
land.
You need to go through every inch
Go
of the
for
land.
every
Okay.
land of the you have to go every inch of the land. It helps the reader imagine Sue's size.
I don't know. I just quick. But for fact, without this act, all her trouble would be double. The sky will shift. Skies. What could be swift? He cannot be late. You understand? Each bit of the sand added something grand, and soon she will build up all the silt. with all
a
the sweet
sweet
and all the fried. Home is made as planned. Okay, he built a home. He has to comb every inch
Every
of the
inch.
land.
Of the land. Yep. Inch of the every inch of the land. It helps the
Okay, maybe you try that one.
it helps the reader imagine Sue is
Sue's.
small size.
Okay,
Its summit.
okay, let's try it. Okay, okay. Oh, how much ground is it? Okay, oh, it's hard.
It's
Okay,
review the text. To build a home, she has to
Comb.
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 She
okay, what's that?
comb.
Okay,
She
here's a verb. Okay,
has
comb.
to
Comb.
comb every inch of all the land. The next text says that Sue travels every inch of all the lands and
An ant.
can't cover that much ground, but the
exaggeration
suggests that the most she must travel very far.
Okay,
So this is the purpose of the text. It highlights how much ground Sue has to cover.
okay, let's okay, got it. Okay, let's read the second part. Let's read the second part.
But for a fact, without this act,
Good, without this act. Okay.
all her trouble would be unable.
Double. Okay, double. One becomes two, two becomes four. So that's okay. But for a fact, without this act means he has to comb every inch of the land. If he doesn't do this, all her trouble would be double. Okay, he will have more trouble. Okay, if she doesn't comb every inch of the land. If she doesn't build her home, that's what's that?
Double.
Okay,
Double the skies will shift. Water could be
swift means
Swift.
quick. Okay, the
Means
water
quick.
could flow very quick. Okay, swift. No. Swift. What's that?
Comb. Swift.
Okay.
Swift.
Okay. I think it just means done quickly.
Move. Are able to move very fast. A swift horse.
Swift river current. Okay, the water flow fast. You can stop here.